This is Randy Meyer. My fourth new technology video is on Wakelet. And of course, Wakelet is the same thing. You go onto the Wakelet homepage and you create a new account just by clicking on your Gmail, or you can go through the process of adding all the information for your account. Wakelet is an easy and enjoyable way to save, organize, and share content from across the web. Never lose a link again. You can bookmark the content that matters to you, organize it how you like, and add your own images and notes to give context. It helps when doing research, puts all your sources in one place. Okay, so this is an app that keeps track of your content. Again, it's both teacher and student, I believe, and the ISTs would be 6A and 6B. How this works, like I say, once you get logged in, it's pretty simple. This pops up here to create a new collection. Simply click on create a new collection. Maybe. Alright, click on new collection, enter a title for my collection, put JROTC and yearbook. We send all the pictures to yearbook, so this is pretty good for us. You can add a cover image if you want. You can go on here, you can choose from the library, you can put your own in here, but it's pretty simple. You just click on that. That'll put your cover if you want a cover on there. Now to add the pictures I want, I just click on here. I click on image, upload an image, and I can. There's a couple images that I got for a junior ROTC, and I'll add them on here real quick. Takes a little bit to download, but you can put anything on here. Okay, there's how quick it is. And this way, once I get all my images downloaded, then I can let the yearbook share this with the yearbook, and they can go ahead and take the pictures they need to print for yearbook. We take pictures throughout the year. We can send them all at once. We can send as time goes by, every marking period, whatever. We can go ahead and keep adding pictures to this throughout the year for all the events that we do. Okay, so this is the second picture, and it takes a few minutes, but we'll just download it. It'll be saved here. Some of the things we do, color guards. So once I got everything on, you can change the view of this also. You can go to here, you can go compact to make it smaller. Then all I gotta do is save it. Okay, I got it saved. I can go back to the home, and of course there it is saved. It's pretty simple. Like I say, you can save anything on here. You always have your content. You can always have your resources and everything if you want saved onto here. So it's all in one place. This is good for us, like I say, for keeping track of all the pictures for yearbook. It's easy for us to go ahead and give it to them.